Hi dear students, now we are going to see the worksheet number 11. The lesson is hydrologic cycle. Choose the correct answer. First question, color the salt water area in the diagram given below. Here a diagram is given, so we have to color the water portion. The major portions are fully colored. In black color I have colored, so you can color it with anything. And next question, read the sentence given below and answer the question. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water. In the 71%, the salt water is 97.2% and the remaining is fresh water. What is the land surface of the earth? ஸோ அப்போ எர்த்தோட லேண்ட் சர்ஃபேஸ் எவ்வளோ அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. 29.2% வந்து எர்த் வந்து லேண்டால் கவர் ஆகிருக்கு. அண்ட் பி கொஸ்டின், வாட் இஸ் த பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரெஷ் வாட்டர் இன் த எர்த்? 2.8%. Next question, use the clues and answer the following question. In earth, the availability of surface water is 2.2%. What percentage of this water will be? Glaciers and ice caps are 2.15%. Lakes and streams are 0.01%. Canals and other forms are 0.04%. And fourth question is identify the types of water from the given option and fill in the table given below. Water on the earth, sea water is 97.2%, rainwater is 2.8%, lakes water is 2.2%, pore water is 0.6%. For agriculture purpose, Romo digs well in his land and Somu put the borewell in his land. And which is the best method of getting water from the ground? Why? The best method of getting water from the ground is borewell, because it can reach great depth of the water table and it also give more water to us. So that's why that is best. And sixth question, from the pictures given below, identify the availability of 3 water sources in India. So here the pictures are given, that is rain, ponds and icebergs. Answer the questions based on the information given in that. Estimated volume of water on earth surface வந்து இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So அது பேஸ் பண்ணி they have asked questions below. You have to answer it from this column. The first question is the percentage of groundwater in total water is 1.69%. Water sources that have the highest percentage is ocean, seas and bays. Low water source is biological water. The percentage of ice caps, glaciers, permanent snow and soil moisture is 1.74. And write a name for the phenomena that you see in the picture. Here some phenomena pictures are given, and what is that phenomena? We have to choose it and answer it. First picture is evaporation and the second picture is condensation. And next question, identify and write the nature of the event. We see the man floating in the sea and reading the newspaper, find the name of the sea. The sea is called as Dead Sea. And next question is, can you float like this in the Arabian Sea and read the newspaper? No, it is not possible. Sorry, I have written possible. No, it is not possible because the density of the water is very less. And match the words with the pictures given below. Here the first picture is river, like it was there. Yes, infiltration, that is. And second one is percolation. And third one is runoff. Fill in the blanks. Soil texture is the cause for the less infiltration. Runoff is the water that is pulled by gravity across land surface. During the precipitation, 65% of water is absorbed in the soil. Match the following. Surface runoff. First question, we have to answer with that opposite side. Surface runoff is overland flow. Subsurface runoff is interflow. Base flow is downstream flow. So if we match it, the answer is first one. And next question, which one of the following is responsible for the amount of runoff? Option A, amount of rainfall. Pick out the odd one out. Here, odd one out is base flow. Others are runoff. And chat answer, what are the factors that influence the rate of infiltration? The rate of infiltration is influenced by the physical characteristics of the soil, vegetative cover, moisture content of the soil, soil temperature and rainfall intensity. And next question is, draw the diagram on infiltration process. உங்களோட புக்கில் பேஜ் நம்பரில் 108ல் infiltration process வந்து பிக்சரைசேஷனாக கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. ஸோ ஹியர் வந்து சின்னதாக ரஃபாக ஒரு diagram I have given. So you can see your book and mark it. And I am also known as the land gradient. Who am I? The answer is runoff. Thank you students. For more videos, subscribe our channel.